Hello guys, let's talk today about the Dashcam recommended SD cards. It's pretty important to have the correct SD card for your camera. As you can see, I have a Viofo A139 Pro with 2 channels. And also I have here the A119 Mini 2, also from Viofo. And I use it on my car, the camera, the Ventru N4, okay? So talking about SD card for Dashcam, I have here this one. This is the SanDisk Extreme, which is very, very interesting for this type of cameras, right? Just take a look here. You can see the capacity of the card is 128 gigabytes. And you have this U3 information, okay? Just down here, the U3 information, which is related to the speed. So you need to have a fast card to be able to record. If your card is slow, you're gonna have problems during the Dashcam recording. So make sure you have a card that is very, very fast, like this U3, for example, and then you can go with the capacity that you want, 128 gigabytes or even more, depending on the model of the camera. So you need to take a look at the model and the cards that the model supports, right? I have another one here that's a Hikvision 32 gigabytes V10 card, but that is not as good as the SanDisk, okay? So I recommend the SanDisk. Let me just put them here so you can see them side by side. When you're going to get your card, you just make sure you have this one. I'll just show you here. Here we go. So now you have a better image of the cards. You can see better and compare them, right? So again, the SanDisk Extreme is very, very good. Make sure you have the U3 version. And if you want to use another card, is at your risk because SanDisk has better cards which is fast, right? So you have a fast card to record your camera, your Dashcam camera, right? So those are the cards that I recommend for Dashcam. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.